Most students get this completely wrong. They hear that Germany has free tuition and assume studying there is cheap. It's not that simple. The biggest mistake? Ignoring living expenses and running into financial stress after arriving. Here's the truth no one tells you. Even though tuition is low or free in Germany, your monthly living costs can easily decide whether your experience is smooth or stressful. In this video, I'm going to break down the real living expenses in Germany for students in 2026. You'll learn exactly how much you need per month, where your money goes, and how to manage your budget smartly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plan your finances and avoid the mistakes most students make. Let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the main question. How much does it cost to live in Germany as a student? On average, you'll need around 850 to 1200 euros per month. But here's the problem. That range depends heavily on your city and lifestyle. So let's break it down step by step. First, accommodation. This is your biggest expense. And this is where most students struggle. Rent can range from 300 to 800 euros per month. If you stay in a student dorm, it's usually cheaper. Around 300 to 500 euros. If you choose a private apartment, it can go much higher. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cities like Munich, Frankfurt and Hamburg are expensive. But smaller cities like Leipzig or Magdeburg are much more affordable. So your city choice can save you hundreds of euros every month. But here's the problem. Finding accommodation is not easy. Many students wait until the last minute and end up paying higher rent. So always start your housing search early. Now let's move to the next major expense. Food. Whoa. On average you may spend around 150 to 300 euros per month. But here's the catch. If you cook at home, you save a lot. If you eat out frequently, your expenses increase quickly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Germany has affordable supermarkets like Aldi and Lidl. Shopping smart can reduce your costs significantly. Now, let's talk about transportation. Public transport is very efficient in Germany. And many students get a semester ticket. This allows unlimited travel within your city or region. The cost is usually included in your semester fee. But if not, you may spend around 50 to 100 euros per month. Now here's the advantage. You may not need a car at all. Now let's talk about health insurance. This is mandatory for all students. And it costs around 110 to 120 euros per month. But here's the problem. Some students try to cut costs here. That's a mistake. Without valid insurance, your residence permit can be affected. Now let's move to utilities. If you live in a private apartment, you may need to pay for electricity, internet, and heating. This can cost around 100 to 200 euros per month. But here's the catch. Some rentals include utilities. So always check before signing a contract. Now let's talk about mobile and internet. A mobile plan may cost around 10 to 30 euros per month. Internet costs depend on your housing situation. Now let's talk about study materials. Books and supplies can cost around 20 to 50 euros per month. But here's a simple tip. Use university libraries and buy second-hand books. Tasche. Now let's talk about personal expenses. This includes clothing, entertainment, and other daily needs. You may spend around 100 to 200 euros per month. But here's where most people fail. They don't track their spending. And small expenses add up quickly. Now let's pause for a second. Because this next part is critical. Blocked account. To get a German student visa, you need to show proof of funds. This is usually around 11,208 euros per year. This money is placed in a blocked account. And you receive a fixed amount monthly. Now here's where it gets interesting. This amount is designed to cover your basic living expenses. But if you spend carelessly, it may not be enough. So budgeting is essential. Now let's talk about part-time work. Germany allows students to work part-time. Up to 120 full days or 240 half days per year. This can help cover your expenses. But here's the problem. Many students depend completely on part-time income. That's risky. Jobs are not guaranteed. So, always have a financial backup. Now here's where it gets interesting. On average, you can earn around 10 to 15 euros per hour. This can help with rent or food. but it won't cover everything. Now let's talk about saving money. This is where smart students stand out. Choose affordable cities. Apply for student dorms early. Cook your meals. Use student discounts. Travel smart. These small steps can save you hundreds of euros every month. Now let's talk about a real example. Rahul chose a smaller city and stayed in a dorm. He managed his expenses within 800 euros per month. But now compare that to Alex. He chose Munich and a private apartment. His expenses went above 1200 euros. So your choices matter. Now let's talk about a common mistake. Ignoring hidden costs. These include deposits for housing, initial setup costs, and emergency expenses. You may need an extra 1,000 to 2,000 euros when you first arrive. So plan for that. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Exchange rates. If your home currency fluctuates, your expenses can increase. So always keep a buffer. Now let's talk about long-term planning. If you manage your expenses well, you can focus on your studies without stress. And Germany offers good opportunities after graduation. So your financial planning now impacts your future. Now let's bring everything together. Living expenses in Germany for students include rent, food, transportation, health insurance, and personal costs. On average, you need around 850 to 12,200 euros per month. Your actual cost depends on your city and lifestyle. If you plan properly, you can manage your expenses comfortably. Now, here's the final insight. The students who succeed are not the ones who spend the least. They are the ones who spend smart. They understand their costs. They track their expenses. And they plan ahead. So don't rely only on free tuition. Focus on your total living cost. Plan early. Stay disciplined. And make smart choices. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more practical guides, and comment below if you want a personalized budget plan for Germany. Because the more prepared you are now, the smoother your life in Germany will be. And that's exactly what you want. I'll see you in the next video.